How to use Gemini AI for translation. Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Gemini AI for translation. You can use Gemini for translation by typing a direct prompt such as translate the following to English or into a following language and then pasting the text that you want to translate. Basically, for that, you need to have Gemini installed to your device. Also, make sure that you're registered. Next, at the search bar, you want to type in the text that you want to translate. Then you want to go ahead and add in the text. As you could see here, it is the translated text. If you have a Word file or if you have a PDF of it, you would click on the plus button and then upload it, and this way as well you could go ahead and use Gemini AI for translation. So basically you have to be clear with your prompt, and accordingly you'll be able to make changes, or you'll then be able to use Gemini AI for translation. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.